Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Weekend Stock Market. In this video, I am going to analyze this company, Kansai Nerolac. Please take a moment to read the disclaimer before continuing the video. Always do the homework and be prepared to grab the opportunity. Kansai Nerolac into paints industry and it is into domestic paints and also industrial paints. I always like to start the video with the management comments in the recent con calls that always gives a fresh information about it. The management says that October is a quite challenging month due to early extended Diwali, reducing mid-month trading window. Management hopeful that November and December will see an uplift and expect Q4 to be the strongest quarter of the year. That is with the decorative segments. And for industrial and auto, a favorable policy, GST changes and festive season to support tractors called out positively. Expect mid to high single-digit value growth in H2 auto, as well as infrastructure segment, railways and roads, airports, power to drive high performance coating. That seems to be a positive comments from the management. I quickly tell you what is possibility, what is probability for this stock from the current levels, and then we will discuss why I feel this is a probability. From the current market price 223, I could see the upside potential up to 350 or 400. And then also other possibilities. The stock may go down from 230 level to the historical 200, then bounce back up to 350 or 400, which gives 75% to 100% returns. This is a highlights of the video. And let's see why I believe this could happen. If you look at the fundamentals of the company, the market cap of the company is 18,000 crores. The company has almost no debt and the placed percentage is zero. The promoter holds 75% of the company. That gives a strong one of the strong fundamental category. If you look at the last 5 years of the sales from the company, it has grown from 5,500 crores to 6,300 crores, 7,500 crores, 7,800 crores, and for the 2024 and 2025, the sales remains flat. There is no significant sales because paint industry there are lots of already strong players, including Kansai Nerolac. The market is already taken captured by these big people, big companies, so the sales can be really flattish all the time, and the company sales for last 3 years has grown at 7%. Besides sales, if you look at the operating profit margin, it is maintained around 11% to 12%. And the net profits are grown from 500 crores to 1,000 crores over last 5 years. That's also a positive sign. If you look at another factors, the promoters, FIIs and DIIs together holds more than 90% of the stake and only 10% roughly is with the public. So that gives us a confidence that big people have a conviction in the stock that it will continue to do great businesses. For all these reasons, fundamentally, I feel the company is strong enough. But the good thing from the price point, if you look at the November 2016, by the way, you are looking at the candlestick chart pattern of Kansai Nerolac on a monthly time frame. The price in 2016 was around 225 and it went all the way from 225 to 400, came back to 235, and during COVID times, after COVID time, again it came back to 225. It went up to 400. It came down to 250 and it went to 350, came back to 250 went back to 350. It sounds funny, but the interesting point is the price is trading in the zone of 200 to 400. That's the key observation, the key takeaway from it. Given the historical behavior of the price movement, today the price again the stock is trading at 230 levels. That's the reason. If you have seen 2016, what happened in when the price was trading at 230, it went all the way up to 400. And here also it went up to 375. After COVID crash, again it went for 400. Since the business is remained stable, according to my analysis, the price can go from here all the way up to recent resistance 350, which gives 50% of profit gain. Or if it goes all the way till 400 from the current market price, it can give up to 75% gain. It's not always guaranteed the price go can only go up. It can fall from current market price 230 to historical support 200. Then the stock may bounce back again to recent strong resistance 350, which is a 75% gain from here. And if it continues to grow, and then if it reaches 400, the stock can give up to 100% gains. So backed by fundamentals and the technical chart patterns and the historical price behavior, this is a positive scenario that I could analysis from my side. This is not a buy or sell and recommendation. It is how I analysis the stock, and it's my own individual opinion. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it added value to it. That's all for the video. Thank you. I have something more for you. I have developed a software that tracks around 500 plus companies, and it gives a report that the companies that are trading below their historical support. Historically, it was seen when these price levels are met, there was a reverse trend. If you are interested to receive similar report, send an email to the email address marketpotentialwithaj@gmail.com. Then I will add you to the mailing list. Then you will receive a report every day that contains a list of stocks that are trading below the major support historically. Thank you once again. I wish you very good luck and nice rest of the day. Bye bye.